sounds good, but I gotta go. Thanks. Hi,
I'm Chanel.
I'm Tom. Pleased to meet you.
John.
Hi, John. Tom. Pleased to meet you.
Brenna.
Hi, Brenna. Tom. Pleased to meet you. So tell me why we should move our headquarters to DFW.
One, it's going to be cheaper to move in Texas in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. The cost of living in the area is 13% cheaper than it is in Illinois, where the company already is. The state income tax is 100% lower than the national average, when Illinois is already 63% over the national average. And also pay by hour is more in the area. So if we can pay more by hour, of course we're going to have happy employees. We won't have as much turnover, hopefully. And even if we don't want to possibly raise the pay too high, we could possibly even give better benefits with the pay. And then of course that's going to make very happy employees. And moving in general, even for people who want to come with us with the company, is cheaper for living, like I've said. So if they can afford to move with the company, they're going to be doing better off in the long run, because when they move with us, they'll be saving even more money and they'll get to stay with the company.
It's almost like a raise. That's a good idea.
And there is another plus, this is a big benefit. There's already a Schneider Electric in Athens, Texas, which is only 2 hours away. So if we have to transfer employees, if we have to train anybody in a certain, field, or if there's anything to do with shipping, or if we need to use something from one place or another, it's going to cost a lot less also, since it's not going to be as far to transfer and move.
I like the idea of being able to transfer to Athens. And you're comfortable with the possibility of losing some of our top performers?
So of course, with any company moving, there's always going to be arguments or people that do not want change, of course. And a big argument is how we are possibly going to lose some of the best employees that we've had that have been with the company for a long time. And of course, that is bad. And if they've worked for the company for a long time, of course, it's going to be sad for us. But maybe with the benefits of it being cheaper to move, they could possibly relocate their life with us, maybe, if they really love working for us as long as they have. And also, if not, then just like with any other business, you're just going to have to work and get your HR people to find the best new people possible. And that's just a risk that has to be taken. There's also some worry that the culture of the company could change, but I believe that it's just a new area, a new experience. It's just a move. I don't think that the culture at all should change. And of course, think of how much money it will cost, but with how I've said and told you about the benefits, it's going to, in the long run, it's going to cost less. It might cost quite a bit to move, but in the long run, we're going to be saving a lot more money. Also, our research shows from entrepreneur.com that approximately 40 million Americans relocate each year, and that the U.S. Postal Service possesses about 38 million change of addresses forms annually.
So how are we going to present this to our associates to get their buy-in?
We're going to make it very appealing. We're not going to make it very difficult for any of the employees that previously work here, just so we don't drive anyone away, because we do want to keep our employees happy and satisfied. So we are going to cover the transportation costs to make that easy. We're going to find a good neighborhood close to the new location where we're moving, and make sure there's schools nearby just for their potential children, and also help them if they have spouses that are going to be out of work.
How will we take care of those associates that decline our offer to move?
So we're going to offer severance packages for those that do not want to move with our company. We're going to make it to where they will have health insurance covered up until the point where maybe about 3 months along, just whatever will accommodate their lives, and say they have multiple children, or it's just them. So we will meet with them individually and see what they would personally need on very individual levels, just to make sure that they are not put out in any way. So it'll make the transition for them to find a new job even easier going through this move. In addition to health insurance, we're going to give them 1 week's pay for every year that they've worked there, and any additional that they may have needed from vacation days that they did not take, or sick days, we will give that back also in that severance package.
Do we have any recent moves that we can compare this to?
If you remember our move in 2014 from Fort Collins in Colorado, we moved to California and Oregon, and we made very accommodating packages for those employees that wanted to move with us and did not. So we've already had previous experience in this, and we know that we can make it flow very easily for everyone involved.
Tell me when you think the best time to move should be.
We believe the best time would be during the slowest months of the year, which for us is the January, February months. So we plan to move the company, start purchasing the equipment, the building, things like that around January. Getting all the office supplies, desk, chairs, telephones, internet set up, get the building fully ready to move into the first part of June. That would give all of the employees who have kids or anything like that to give them plenty of time so they wouldn't have to move during the school year. They can move during the summer months, and they can transfer during their summer months. We'll help them find a home, help them get fully situated in the new Fort Worth area, and we believe the summer months will be the best time to move the employees.
I can imagine moving in the summer would be better. Will we move existing resources or buy new ones?
Most of our existing resources that we have we lease. We're under a lease agreement, and that agreement is just about up. So we'll give our existing desk furniture, copy machines, fax machines, telephones, all the projectors, projection screens. We'll give that kind of stuff back. And in our new Fort Worth area, we've been looking into different rental companies there that can offer the same office supplies, such as Cisco. They are a big supplier in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And then we've also looked into purchasing equipment. And we're trying to decide if it's going to be a long-term move or a short-term. If it's more of the long-term move, we'll probably purchase the equipment.
So how's a real estate person coming on locating a new site?
Our real estate agent has sent us several emails with different properties. We've kind of narrowed it down to select one or two. One of them is a single-floor warehouse. The other one is a tower-type building. It has 3 floors. We've been leaning towards that one, where your lower floors can be kind of a showroom. We can showroom our products for when companies come in. We can actually show them a physical product. Our second floor is going to be our customer service level. Any customer need goes through there. Phone calls, emails, all circulating through that second floor. And then the third floor is going to be your upper level management employees, your CFOs, your CEO, really what drives the company is going to be on the top floor.
I like the idea about a showroom. That'll be great for our customers. Sounds like you've definitely done your research on the move. Well, everyone, sounds like you've done a really good job in preparation. I appreciate all your hard work and efforts. I will take this to the board members and we'll draw a conclusion from there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.